Thousands of people learn how good it feels to help the community every single day, but one high schooler started a nonprofit to do it her way, through baking.
Baking for Better is a registered and trademarked 501c3 charity. So with the help of my friends, I make and sell baked goods at different events across Lancaster, and we donate every penny to a different charity each time. We'd actually read a book in 6th grade. It was called Free Lunch, and it talked about all these kids who didn't have the financial resources to be able to eat all the time, and that their families were struggling, and it kind of resonated with me, and I just thought about those people that aren't as fortunate, and I wanted to help them.
Feeding the impoverished is a noble deed, but why is it so important to these bakers?
I help Alex. I make a bunch of different baked goods, give them to her, and then we go to different sales. I like baking. I think it's really fun. It's therapeutic. I like helping out in that way, and then it's for a really good cause, so I like to go along and see how much money we can raise. It's really nice to make something and then get to eat it, and it's really good, but it's even better to give it to somebody else and they can enjoy it.
Running a nonprofit is a difficult task, but Alex has someone who lightens the load.
I'm Alex's support system. I help to do baking when she's busy. I help her when she has questions about the financials. I try to advertise for her by asking people about venues when sometimes she needs a venue. She has a lot of people that have helped out with it. I actually think it's really helped her become more self-sufficient, manage time better. I think it's made her a better person, just knowing that it's important to give to people and to recognize the important things that are happening in the world and know that she could be a part of helping. She is more aware of what's going on in the world.
There's a certain amount of pride involved in charity. Enriching the community, it feels good to make the world a better place. For Hempfield Happenings, I'm Bryce J. Jordan.